Taylor about the fucking flex.
Perfect.
10 so dark you cannot see who I'm riding with. Diamond glisten all up in my watch, can tell what time it is. Diamond clusters all up in my watch, they got you blind as shit. I tie the beat up, then I fucking yeah, I'm on some violent shit. Woo! Don't wanna tell you again. Woo! I might tell the bitch to bring a friend. Drop the top and open up the roof, now that's a quick stop. Only real diamonds round my pink, you got on ring pops. Cartier around my fucking wrist, take off that wristwatch. The crew is something serious, don't mess with us, you hearing this. Thinking you gon' make it to the top, man, you delirious. I'm only spitting real shit, I'm only writing facts. And yeah, I swear I gotta take the weight up off my back. I got all of the shit that's on my chest, but I'm still killing it. Players always talking and they hating. I'm a fucking spawn of Satan. Listen, this what I'm regurgitating. Moon illuminating. I'm insane and got a pistol too. Name a person who listens. You, I'm handing out these lessons. I don't care if shit get physical. The way I use my tongue, I need a mop up in this bitch. The way you use your hands, you need new socks up in this bitch. I swear I got a love T-town, I lock up in this bitch. I swear to God, I swear to God, I swear to God, I got it. Yeah, I'm back on my shit though. People fuck your girl, she a info. At least for this beat, she take a knee like Kaepernick. The way I run my city, swear I got this whole town. I'm locked up in this bitch. This is not a for discussion. I don't talk, man, I just does it. And my vision getting fuzzy, cause if you just drank what I drank, if you saw what I see, my eyes always stay red, cause I don't fuck with all that Vazine. It's a crime scene when I step up in the function. My girl on my back, lying, she always crying. I'm buying because I'm flying. Maybe I'm biased to getting money. This ain't even funny, you a joke though. I got her legs up and my hands are in her throat. Ho, she love it. Always does it. I'ma talk all of my shit. I'ma break all of you down. I'ma fly up and get lit. You can hate all on my sound, but I would never give a shit. Too high to feel so down. Too high to feel so down. Feel so down. Feel so down. Down. Yeah, you know I'm running now. Fucking jacked up and I'm still counting hundreds now. My next feature's gonna run you up a crocodile. You should know I'm fucking round, man. I think I'm bugging now.
Perfect.
Walking on by, but still we never speak. I'm only about my business, that's why I never sleep. You thinking you the shit, your ego in the way. Your pride ain't we're not us, so what you gonna say? Nothing, nothing at all, you say nothing. Nothing at all, you say nothing. Nothing at all, you say nothing. Love, yeah.